Hello and welcome to BCC Art Studio. I'm Billy. Say hello to Beauty. She's got to be in everything. And Roscoe. Today I'm going to show you some of the things that I'm getting ready to sell this Saturday at the Poy Sippy Days. So this is just a bunch of the stuff that I need to pack away yet. I will go through it in a little bit. Coasters that my husband made for drink coasters, beer coasters, bottles, cans. I'm not as think as you drunk I am. Alcoholics don't run in the family, they drive. Toe rings. All sorts of miscellaneous colored rings and sizes. These are my glow-in-the-dark rings. All ring sizes go from size 12 down to size 6. These are some metallic blue and pink rings. And these are just some miscellaneous rings, different sizes. This is a resin painting that I did last year when I started out doing resin. This is all resin. It is on a wood frame 20 by 16. And then we have Beauty, which she has to be in the middle of everything. And she likes to jump. I haven't taught her how not to jump yet. Then I have more of my art stuff that I did in the past year. If you all remember the fish tabletop that I did. And then this one is a 3D sculpt that I did about a year and a half ago, just when I was getting into doing the resin. And then I have my 3D laser engraved wolf that I did. You guys seen the video on that one. This here is my messy desktop that I'm trying to get things ready and make things for the show. I have my little oven over there for baking my clay, and my pasta maker, or my clay conditioner, I should say. Here are some pendants that I made in the past year. Some of the earrings I made these last night with some leftover clay. I made these today. It's little flowers that I've had forever. And then the pendants in the back, just miscellaneous jewelry. My sets of earrings that I have. This set here is called the stained glass effect. I haven't done a video on it, but I may do one soon. This one here is a glow-in-the-dark set with leftover glow-in-the-dark clay. And then you guys probably remember this one. This one's, I think, on my first clay video with the scrap clay. And I don't think I did a video on this one. Here is a pendant that I made. I did not do a video on this one. Pendant with the earrings. Hard to videotape and move stuff around when you're trying to make sure you're in the camera. Here are some slate drink coasters that my husband made last year with his laser engraver, and some coffee coasters. They're all slate. I have some of my hot plates that I made in the past year, and my coasters, my heart coasters and my drink coasters, which I'm not going to unpack all that stuff, but that's what I got for you. Thank you for watching, and happy pouring.